Friends, this photo is of a man who was helping duckling cross the road. People standing nearby were clapping for him. Some took this picture, but it is very heartbreaking photo. The car visible in front hit this man just moments later. This man was killed. His name was Kazi Rivana. This last tragic photo of Cassie was taken in the city of Brooklyn, America. Some photos appear completely normal at first glance, but the story behind them is enough to send chills down your spine. Like this photo of a newly married couple, their names were Eric and his wife Samantha, but friends on 28 April 2025, shortly after their wedding, this husband and wife were sitting in a golf cart when a girl, heavily drunk, crashed her car into their golf cart. The girl's name was Jamie Komoroshiki. Samantha was killed in the tragic incident. Her husband was seriously injured. This was Samantha's last photo taken on her wedding day. Friends, 2018 in Thailand during a massive flood, 12 children from a football team and their coach got trapped. All of them were safely rescued, but one member of the rescue team died while saving them. His name was Saman Kunar. He was delivering oxygen to them, but unfortunately, he did not have enough oxygen left to return. This man lost his life. This was his last photo in Thailand. He is now regarded as a hero. Friends, on 28 January 1986, America's Space Shuttle Challenger was launched, but just 73 seconds after liftoff, the space shuttle was destroyed. There was seven astronauts on board and all seven were killed instantly. They did not even got a chance to think or understand what was happening. This was the last photo of these astronauts as they were heading to board to the space shuttle. Little they know that they would die just moments later. Friends, in 2017, a 17 years old boy named Cartel Christians posted his photo on Instagram on 8 August 2017. Carter was hiking in the mountains of Boulder, America, but sadly this was the last photo of his life. Just 1 hour after posting this photo, Carter fell while climbing a mountain and lost his life. In this photo, you can see a bear. This picture was taken in 2014. A 14-year-old student named Darsh Patel took his photo in a forest presence in America. It was a 300-pound black bear, but friend, this was the last photo taken in Darsh's life. The bear started chasing him right after and attacked him shortly afterward, killing him. Friends, 1 year ago in India, an Air India flight crashed. It was 12 June 2025. This photo was a family. Bitak Joshi, his wife and their children. This family was traveling to London on that plane. They took his selfie before the plane took off, but this photo turned out to be the last photo of their lives. The plane crashed shortly after takeoff. Friends, another heartbreaking photo is of this father and daughter. The man's name was Yuri Shen. His wife took his photo and posted it on the internet immediately. In 2025, this family was traveling from Egypt to Russia on Morjet flight 9268, but shortly after the plane was destroyed in midair, no one on board survived it. It is said that the plane was brought down by a bomb. Friends, on 13 November 2025, a man named Gilles A. Letter was present at a concert in Paris when this photo was taken. A friend of his was also in this photo, but shortly after, panic broke out at the concert because a man started firing indiscriminately. He also attacked the concert with grenades. Around 15 people were present, out of which nearly 90 people were killed, including this man Gilles. This was the last photo of his life. But friends, some people are very lucky. Watch this video. This video was recorded by a woman in India. A flight 91 was flying for 4 hours in bad weather. The pilots were finding it difficult to land the plane. The passenger felt that their final moment had arrived at that time. A woman recorded this video while crying, but fortunately the plane landed safely in another city and all passengers survived. Friends, in January 2012, in New Zealand, a hot air balloon crashed. There were 11 people on board this hot air balloon. It was 7th January when, due to strong wind, instead of landing, the hot air balloon drifted towards power lines. It collided with the wires and caught fire. All 11 people on board were killed instantly. Their relatives were also present nearby. This was one of the last photos of that hot air balloons.